Welcome, dear viewers, to our exciting craft channel. We are glad to see you and introduce you to the exciting world of innovation, technology and impressive achievements in agriculture. On our channel, you discover reviews of the most modern and original agricultural machines that not only change lives in the industry, but also contribute to agricultural innovation. Be with us and stay up to date with all the achievements in the development of agriculture. We are happy to share with you the amazing and important news in this area. Such excavators are especially helpful in cleaning water channels and outflows in the agricultural sector. Canals clogged with mud, sand, and sediment can interfere with the water supply to plants, so cleaning irrigation canals is essential for crop growth and development. Toscano Cultivator, which is used to cultivate the soil and prepared for sowing. It has a solid construction of high-quality materials and is equipped with adjustable working units, such as carriages, which give the soil the necessary softness and looseness. This provides optimal conditions for plant growth and effective weed control. High performance and ergonomic design. The Simon S2 harvester removes carrots from the agricultural field. It combines the functions of a tractor and a combine. It is equipped with a powerful engine, a large working width and a capacious bunker for harvesting and storing crops. Simon S2 provides efficient and fast work in the field, significantly reducing time and costs. Agricultural trailers are designed to transport crops such as fruits, vegetables, grains, hay, straw and other products. They have a robust design and handling systems and can be used for other types of cargo. Stone pickers or stone collectors are equipped with mesh baskets or belt conveyors. They walk across the field, collect stones from the surface of the soil and put them in special containers or on trailers. Rock pickers usually have different settings to control the size of the rocks they can pick. There are also specialized stone pickers that can only pick up large and heavy stones. They are usually equipped with hydraulic claws or forks that allow you to grab and lift stones from the soil surface. Hitachi Excavators are high-quality and reliable technical devices with the power and excellent characteristics to perform a variety of tasks in the construction and mining industries. The Hidromek motor grader is a powerful and reliable construction equipment designed for professional leveling and ground preparation. It is equipped with hydraulic systems that provide precise adjustment of the height and angle of the blade. The Hidromek motor grader has a solid steel frame and quality components to ensure durability and reliability. It is able to cope with various types of soil, including clay, gravel and sand. The Hidromek grader allows you to quickly and efficiently create smooth surfaces for roads, sites and construction sites. The line for the production of biscuits and cakes with automation is a modern solution that can significantly increase the efficiency and speed of production. Such a line saves time and resources, increases productivity and minimizes the human factor. High-tech John Deere 9500 and 9600 forage harvesters designed for harvesting crops such as grains, rapeseed, corn and grasses. They are equipped with powerful engines, wide headers and cleaning systems that allow you to harvest efficiently and quickly. Omron Delta Robot is a high-speed and high-precision robot designed for pick-and-place operations. It is part of Omron's automation solutions and is widely used in industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals and automotive. The Delta robot has a unique design, each driven by its own motor and drive system. This provides precise and coordinated movement, allowing the robot to quickly pick up objects from one location and place them in another. The New Holland T7 Blue Power series of tractors manufactured by New Holland are powerful and reliable, allowing you to perform a wide range of tasks, including plowing, harvesting, transporting and other agricultural work, which makes them ideal for use in agriculture and other agricultural operations. The reliability of attachments manufacturer John Deere has been proven by farmers for years and they use them for a variety of applications, including agriculture, construction and other industries. Innovative device automatic wood splitter is designed for fast and efficient splitting of firewood. It is equipped with automatic mechanisms that independently perform all the necessary operations. This makes the splitting process much more convenient, safer and more efficient, reducing time and effort. The mature tree transplanter is a special vehicle designed to move large plants without damaging them. It has a powerful mechanical system that allows you to lift and hold the tree in an upright position during transport. The machine also has a comfortable grip that ensures safe and stable movement of trees on the ground or other surfaces. Thanks to this technology, the mature tree transplant machine maintains the integrity of the root system and minimizes stress on the tree, ensuring a successful transfer to a new location. The Oxbo 6120 Premium Grade Combine is a modern combine designed specifically for grape harvesting. It is equipped with advanced technologies and features that ensure optimal performance in high-quality crops. The harvester has a strong and durable design that can withstand harsh operating conditions. The premium sorting feature uses advanced sorting technology to separate grapes from unwanted materials, resulting in a clean, top-quality crop. The Fendt Ideal 10T is a reliable and powerful harvester specially designed for efficient harvesting of large crops. Equipped with innovative technologies, it provides excellent performance and precision in the processing of fields. The John Deere 1523 tractor has high performance and reliability. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder 60 horsepower diesel engine and carrying capacity up to 2.5 tons. The tractor has a comfortable cab, implement interface and a wide range of equipment. The printer applies any logos, drawings and inscriptions using certain inks for printing on various surfaces of dishes. It works quickly and accurately, producing high-quality prints. Such a printer allows you to create unique and personalized products, capturing the attention of customers and enhancing branding. The Dewulf combine has been developed for efficient and precise harvesting of carrots from the fields. It is equipped with advanced technology that allows you to harvest and peel carrots quickly and efficiently without damaging the root crops. The harvester provides high productivity and excellent quality of collection, thanks to its accuracy and reliability. It is equipped with special adjustments that allow it to be adapted to various carrot growing conditions. An innovative Handicare stair chair installation designed to make it easier for people with reduced mobility to move upstairs. The Handicare chair is equipped with a secure ascent and descent system that allows you to easily and safely move both up and down stairs. Installation of the Handicare chair can be made on any type of stairs and includes stable fixings and safety straps. Comfortable and durable chair provides comfortable seating and smooth movement. Handicare makes stair climbing safer and more accessible for everyone. Thank you very much for watching the video about agricultural machinery. I hope you got most of the information about the most advanced and successful machines in agriculture. Thank you for your interest and join us by subscribing to the Craft channel.